We stayed at the lovely Newport Coast Villa and Marriott with the full 2-bedroom kitchen, living room area, and 2 full baths. The bedrooms were spacious and comfortable, wonderful light-filled bedrooms. The bathrooms had 2 full bathtubs and sinks. It was very comfortable and spacious. The kitchen had all the supplies and everything you needed to cook and make coffee in the morning. The living room was spacious with a TV in each room. The balcony was oceanfront. We had a great view from the bedroom and the balcony of the Pacific Ocean. You could see right outside. It was absolutely a gorgeous weekend. The ocean was blue and crystal. The bathrooms were spacious with a shower and a big soaking tub. The view was just spectacular. We enjoyed sitting outside in the sun and feeling the ocean breeze. The views were spectacular both days. It was just beautiful conditions. It's a little cool and misty in the morning with a little marine layer, but overall everything cleared up and there's some fun resort activities, and we enjoyed the beautiful sunset over Crystal Cove Beach. It was so beautiful. The evening was nice and warm, and we enjoyed. We're in time for this beautiful sunset here. We looked at the sunset and the view. The absolutely space gorgeous. Was really comfortable and enjoyable for everyone. Sunset? And we even got to spend time at the pool, which was lovely. The pools are surrounded by palm trees and beautiful gardens. The waters are saltwater pools, which was very comfortable. Okay. We had a wonderful weekend stay at Newport Coast, and we definitely enjoyed our time here and would love to come back soon. Aloha. Okay, sunset. Beautiful Crystal Cove. Wow. Oh, those are seagulls.